This is my hallway. It's pretty dark, as you can see. My solution was getting this nightlight LED that's powered by 4 AA batteries. It is about 3 inch by 3 inch by 1 inch deep. The problem is that it sticks out 1 inch deep, which is a lot because, as you can see, as you saw, my hallway was very tiny, tight. I wanted to do something like this, and it took me a while until I got a 3D printer, and I'll show you how this is possible with the light being recessed into the wall. I fire up Tinkercad and I designed a box with some lips on it to go into the wall. You can see that the whole printing time was 12 hours, and that's a long print for me. I didn't want to do that, so I wanted to split it in half. Here is my design again. This time it is split between the bottom and the top. The bottom piece has this little crevice whereby the top piece can click right into the bottom piece, saving the print time. Here it is, the bottom piece, 4 hours and a half. The top piece is 8 hours, well, almost 9 hours. I'm using Cura as the slicer. Once it's printed out, here's the bottom, and you can see the little crevice that the top will click into. This is the top piece, and you can see how it is when it's all coming together in one piece as seen here. These are the tools that I use to cut the hole into the wall, the basic Dremel and the stud finder. I definitely don't want to cut into the stud. I mark on the wall how big the hole should be, and then I start cutting away with the Dremel. Here's my son holding up the piece, and it fits perfectly into the wall as you saw earlier before. Here's the light in action when it's dark. I made some space on the left and the right side, so that way if the batteries ever ran out, I can always pull it out and then insert more batteries in. And here's a video of it in action at night when I'm walking through the hallway. It looks pretty dark in the video, but it's actually brighter in real life. Hopefully this helps you with other home projects, and I had a lot of fun doing this video.